Part D on problem 11, 23 in your book, and it's plot the NPV profiles for the two projects, identify the internal rate of returns on the graph. Okay, before we do a graph, what we need to do is find the data. And so what we're going to do is a what if analysis. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a what if analysis over project A and project B, where what if the weighted average cost of capital is 0%, 2%, 4%, 8%, and so on. And so you need to make you a little table just like this with your project A and project B and with the various percentages. You don't have to do every by twos or whatever, but that's a good way to do it. Okay. First thing we'll do is we need to get the NPV for project A. So we'll say equal, and we're going to go up here to project A's NPV and put that in that cell. So now we have project A's NPV there. It says equal B19, and we're going to find project B's NPV. We're going to put that there. And hit enter. So now we have project A and project B's NPV. So we're going to do a what if analysis, and what we'll do is you highlight all the cells you want here, and you go up to data and go over here to what if, and we're going to do a data table. So our row input is irrelevant. We're just going to do column input, because all we're doing is what we want to know is what is the NPV going to be if we change our weighted average cost of capital. All right, that's all we want to know. And so that's the column. So we just come up over here, and now we come up here to our weighted average cost of capital input and put that in there and select OK. Scroll back down, and there it fills in the whole graph or the whole table. And so now it tells us that if our weighted average cost of capital is 0, our NPV for project A will be $20, or whatever it is, 20,000, 20 million, whatever we're dealing with. And here it would be 14 for project B. Now you'll notice as the weighted average cost of capital of the project goes up, our NPVs go down, which that makes sense because our money's costing more. You'll see where our internal rate of return is where the NPV equals 0. So we have it for each project here, and that's where it crosses. You need to label that on the graph, and now all you need to do is make a graph for this using this data. That's a what if analysis. You need to understand how to do that, because we'll be doing a lot of those here in the next few chapters.